Hey everyone, my name is Aaron Hemingway and welcome to my YouTube channel, Hemingway's Class. Today what I want to do is I want to just review or give a review of the IPEVO Interactive Whiteboard 1. And this is such a cool and really inexpensive tool that you can use in your classroom. And I use it all the time and it's been working really well for me. There's a few things that I would change if I could, but since I'm in my district's classroom, I only have so much flexibility to be able to do what I want with the arrangement of the room and everything. So what this kit contains is simple. It has this pen right here, and it's an infrared pen. It comes with also an extension, so you can make the pen longer. And then it also comes with this thing right here, which is the sensor camera. And this basically projects the infrared onto the screen, therefore making it interactive. So basically you can take any flat surface that you want and you can make it interactive. It doesn't have to necessarily be a whiteboard. I've seen, people or videos where people have used it on the pull down screens that some classrooms still have, or even just projecting it onto like a big piece of white butcher paper as well. So the sky is kind of the limit, and I love the flexibility that this thing is able to offer. I'm not going to go through a full demonstration of how this works. However, I did just kind of want to show you the basic whiteboard features of it. With this kit also you get a disc where you can install annotation tools onto it. So like, I don't know if you can see it, but right here it's got different colored markers you can use. It's got an eraser. It has an on-screen keyboard that you can use right here. It has the little lines. You can click the mouse button right here and use the pen as a mouse, so you're up here in front of the board instead of having to run back and forth between your computer and everything. And there's also a lot of other cool features that come with the software as well. I haven't gone through everything and done an extensive, in-depth look at it, but I am excited to learn more about it. And so that being said, let me just show you how it works real quick. If I click on just this black pencil right here, number one, I can change the color to whatever I want. So I'm gonna change it to red. And then I'm just gonna take this and I'm going to write hello. So I wrote hello on the board. As I was filming this, my battery decided to tell me it has a low battery, so I'm not sure if you could see that or not. So I'll, just for demonstration purposes, put a smiley face on here so you can see how it works just like that. It's cool too because I can also change the size of it to make it really, really big. So this is just kind of like the standard size right here. And I can make it, make the lines a lot thicker for emphasis and stuff like that. And you can also do the same thing with the eraser as well, where I have, a little tiny eraser right here. But if I click on it, I can make the size all the way up like that, and I can erase things a lot faster. But if you want to be able to erase everything on the screen all at one time, there's a trash can button that you just click like that, and it just erases everything like that. And so, literally, whatever you can project from your computer onto the board, the sky's the limit. And I know that this company also makes wireless document cameras as well that you can use these tools with. So there's also that as an option as well. But for getting started, I really recommend this tool. The only thing that I wish is that it came with a USB cord that was a lot longer. I want to say that the one that it came with was only like 8 feet or something like that, or 4 feet. It was not that long. So the setup in my classroom, it's very limited because of the cord length, and also because I don't want cords running through the middle of the room because I don't want my students to trip on them. But anyway, I hope that you found this review and demonstration of this product helpful. I really like it a lot, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description below on how you can get this if you want to buy this for your classroom. I think the price is about $150 plus shipping. And if you do decide to go that route, just know that if you click the link below, I get a small percentage of the profit that's made from the interactive tools that you buy. So yeah, go check out this company. It's called IPEVO, IPEVO, and it's awesome, it's affordable, and yeah, it's great. So I'll see you in the next video. Also, make sure that you follow me on Twitter at twitter.com/Hemingway's class. Hemingway only has one M in it, just like it is on this channel as well. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks. Bye.